A very common question that we get is, what is the difference between a will and a trust? And in some ways they're very similar, and in some ways they're very different. The ways that they are similar is both a will and a trust is a way for you to leave a set of instructions about how you want your assets to be distributed, what assets and to whom. So in that way they're similar. They're different in how they work. A will is a document that always has to go through a formal court process called probate. And a lot of families don't want their families to have to deal with that court process. And so the way to avoid that court process is to take the instructions about what to do with your assets and who they're going to, and to put them in a trust. And a trust, the assets that are owned by a trust don't have to go through that court process. And so leaving a set of instructions about what should happen in a trust means your family stays out of that probate court process, and things stay private, and things are maintained as easily as possible. So that is the foundational difference between a will and a trust. They're both documents that you use as a way to leave assets to other people, but they just work in different ways. One is a court document, one is an out-of-court document that makes things as easy as possible for your family.